Good morning, students. I hope you have understood the chapter number 2, that is counting numbers, that I taught you in the last video. But today I am going to start a new topic, that is chapter number 3, comparing and ordering numbers, that I have written here. So let's start with a new topic. Now students, can you tell me why we compare numbers? We compare numbers to find which is less and which is greater. So we use these signs, this one and this one. This sign represents the open side that always points towards the greater number. And that sign always represents the closed side that always points towards the smaller number. So, when we compare numbers, these two signs are used. Suppose, if I write like 45 is less than 49. How can I write? I write like this. 45 is less than 49. I put the sign like this. But why I write this sign? Because 45 is smaller than 49. And see, the open side of the sign always points towards the greater number, that is 49. 49 is the greater number, that is why I write this sign. But if I write 49 is greater than 45, how can I write? I write 49 is greater than 45. But why I write this sign? Because 49 is greater than 45. The closed side of the sign always points towards the smaller number. See, 45 is smaller, that is why I write this sign. But when we compare 4-digit number, we first look at the thousand place and hundred place and then tens place and lastly the ones place. So let us understand with the help of an example. Suppose I have taken two numbers, that is 3672 and 3843. Can you tell me which one is greater? See, first you have to write down the place value of each digit of the numbers. Start writing. See, 2 is on which place value? Ones. 7 is on which place value? Tens. 6 is on which place value? Hundreds. And 3 is on which place value? Thousands. Now, on the other side, let's start writing the place values again. 3 is on which side? Ones. 4 is on which place? Tens. 8 is on which place? 100. And 3 is on which place? 1000. Now, we have written the place value of these digits. Now, we begin with comparing with the thousand place. When we compare numbers, then we always start with the thousand place. But in both the cases, numbers are same. So, we move forward to the next digit, that is 100. But in 100 place, you can see the both digits are different. On the one hand, I'll get 6, but on the other hand, I'll get 8. Both digits are different. So, I can see that 6 is smaller than 8. 6 is smaller than 8. Right? So, I can clearly see that my number 3672 is smaller than 3,843. So I'll put the sign like this. But why I'll write this sign? Because 6 is smaller than 8, as I told you earlier. Okay. Can you find another example? Yes. Let us take another example. Example number 2. I'll take the number, this one and this one. Alright. Now first write down their place value of each digit of the number. Alright. Starting with this number, 8 is on which place value? Ones. 1 is on which place value? Tens. 3 is on which place value? 100. And 2 is on which place value? 1000. Again we'll start the same process here. 4 is on which place value? Ones, tens, 100 and thousands. Alright. Now to see which one is greater, we first start with the 1000 place. But I can clearly see that both the numbers are same in the 1000 place. Now look at the 100 place. When I move forward to the 100 place, I'll again see that both the numbers are again same here. But when I move to the next digit like tens place, I'll again see that numbers are also again in same. But when I compare numbers in ones place, I'll see that both numbers are different. I'll see that I find 8 in the ones place and here I'll find 4 in ones place. Can you tell me which one is greater? Yes, 8. So I'll write this sign here. Alright. Now you can clearly see that 2318 is greater than 2314. In this way, you can solve multiple questions and this is very easy, but you need to do it very carefully. As I teach you how to compare numbers, dear students, you can easily solve question number 1 of work exercise 2 of chapter number 3, that is ordering and comparing numbers. Thank you for watching me.